Magandang hapon po. Pansamantala po naming pinuputol ang inyong pinapanood na programa para sa mahalagang pahayag mula kay Chris Aquino tungkol sa lagay ng kalusugan ng kanyang inang, si dating Pangulong Cory Aquino. Kasama niya ngayon ang ating Chief Correspondent, Corina Sanchez. Corina.
Okay po.
Alright. Tayo ngayon sa kinaroroonan ng ilan sa mga miyembro ng pamilya ni former President Corazon Aquino. Si Ms. Chris Aquino ay naririto, ang kanyang anak. Gayon din si Senador Benigno Noynoy Aquino para maghatid sa atin ang medyo malungkot pong balita tungkol sa kondisyon ng kanilang ina. Meron silang inihandang statement o pananalita mula sa kanilang pamilya at narito ngayon si Chris Aquino para sa maikling anunsyo ng kondisyon ng kanilang inang, si former President Cory Aquino. Chris?
Corina, this statement we all prepared together, and it's coming from our family. Our mother had suffered from an episode of high blood pressure and difficulty in breathing, followed by fever during the week in between Christmas and New Year. Since that time, we all became concerned because of her persistent cough, loss of appetite, and her noticeable weight loss. Our mom wanted to know what was wrong with her, and with her family by her side, she submitted herself to a checkup and several tests. The results show that our mother is suffering from cancer of the colon. Our mother has always believed in being upfront. Over and above everything else, she's a woman who has lived her entire life entrusting everything to the Lord, and she has always been a woman of great faith. Ang pamilya po namin ay kagaya lamang ng sa inyo. Mahal na mahal po namin ang nanay namin at handa po kaming magbigay ng suporta, lakas at pagkalinga sa oras ng kanyang matinding pagsubok. Alam din po namin na ang buhay ng aming pamilya ay bahagi na ng kasaysayan ng ating bayan. Desisyon po ng nanay namin na mag-release kami ng statement para po maunawaan ng lahat ang kanyang kasalukuyang kalagayan. Nakikiusap po kami, sana maintindihan ninyo na kailangan po ng aming ina, kagaya ng lahat ng pasyenteng nagpapagaling, ng panahon po ng katahimikan. It's a very difficult time for our family, most especially for our mother. We respectfully ask that she be accorded her privacy. Our mom remains a believer in the power of prayer. We ask you for your compassion and for your prayers for our mom's recovery.
Okay, ilang pananalita lamang siguro mula kay Senadora Noynoy Aquino.
Wala na po ako dadagdag doon, except yung ako, talagang matindi yung